Dear students, we will continue arithmetic progression. Next problem is, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 21 etc. is 78? We need to find the 78. The given 78 is which term of this AP? So for that, what is given? The arithmetic sequence is given. What is the first term? First term is 3. So A equal to 3. And what is the common difference D? Common difference D is second term is 8. 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. So let the given 78 be the nth term. We will take An is equal to 78. If we take An equal to 78, then we will find out n, that will be the required answer. So we know that An equal to, what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is equal to 78. It is given. We will substitute the values of A equal to 3. 3 plus n minus 1 as it is into D equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 78. Next step is this plus 3 will go there. So it will be minus 3. So the remaining part is n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 78 minus 3. 78 minus 3 is 75. Next step is this 5. This is a product. N minus 1 into 5. It's a product. We'll take this 5 to there. So this is into 5. When it goes there, it will be divided by 5. So n minus 1 is equal to 75 divided by 5, which is equal to 15. N minus 1 equal to 15. Therefore n is equal to 15 plus this 1 minus 1, when it goes there, plus 1. So 15 plus 1 equal to 16. So we got n equal to 16. So the 16th term is 78. Clear? Next question is, check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 etc. We have to check minus 150 is a term of the given AP. For that, we will assume the nth term be minus 150. Let An equal to minus 150. We know An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A equal to the first term, that is A equal to 11. So 11 plus n minus 1 into common difference is minus 3 is equal to minus 150. Next step, n minus 1 into minus 3. A11 we will take to right side. So the positive 11 will be minus 11. So minus 150 minus 11 is equal to minus 161. So we got n minus 1 is equal to this into 3. When it goes to right side, it will be divided by 3. So minus 161 divided by minus 3 is equal to 161 by 3. That is n minus 1. So n is equal to 161 by 3, minus 1 will go there, then it will be plus 1. So 161 divided by 3 plus 1, this is equal to 161 plus 3. So 164 divided by 3. When we divide 164 by 3, we are getting decimal. It is coming 54.33 something. So actually n should be a whole number. So this minus 150 is not a term of this given sequence. Clear? Next question. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. We are given an AP consists of 50 terms. That means n equal to 50. And what is given next? Third term is 12. We know if third term is 12, A plus n minus 1 into D, A plus 2D equal to 12. And what is given in the last term? Last term is 50th term, because an AP consists of 50 terms, it is given. So 50th term is 106. 50th term means A plus 49D. A plus 49D equal to 106. So we will make two equations. A plus 2D equal to 12, that is equation 1. A plus 49D equal to 106. A plus 2D equal to 12, that is equation 1. A plus 49D equal to 106, that is equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2, that is A minus A, we get 0. 49 minus 2 is 47D is equal to 106 minus 12, which is 94. So we got 47D equal to 94. Therefore, D equal to 94 divided by 47 equal to 2. We got common difference as 2. Now, substitute the value of 2 in any of the equations, either 1 or 2. So, we will substitute it in A plus 2D equal to 12. So, A plus 2D, 2 into D, we got now 2. So, 2 into 2 equal to 12. A plus 2 into 2 is 4. A plus 4 is equal to 12. Therefore, A equal to 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Now, we got A equal to 8 and common difference D equal to 12. Now, what we have to find? Find the 29th term. So, 29th term is A plus 28D equal to A is 8 plus 28 into common difference 2. So, 8 plus 56 equal to 64. So, the 29th term is 64. Next question. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39, etc. will be 132 more than its 54th term? So, what is given here? Here A equal to first term is 3 and common difference is 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. And we don't know which term will be 132 more than its 54th term. So, let it be AN. So, we assumed nth term A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 54th term. 54th term is A plus 53D plus it is given will be 132 more than its 54th term. So, A plus 53D plus 132 and substitute the values here. A equal to 3 and we don't know, that is what we are going to find out. N minus 1 into common difference D is 12 is equal to A is 3 here plus 53D, 53 times 12 plus 132. Next step, 3 plus n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 3 plus 53 into 12 is 646 plus 132. If you add this, you will get 781. Next step, n minus 1 into 12 is equal to this plus 3 when it goes there minus 3. So, 781 minus 3 is equal to 778. So, we got n minus 1 equal to 778. Therefore, we got n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 778. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 778 divided by 12. When you divide, we will get 64. So, n minus 1 is 64. Therefore, n is equal to 64 plus 1 equal to 65. So, question is which term? So, 65th term will be 132 more than its 54th term. Clear? Next question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So, to do this problem, first we will take the lowest 3-digit number, that is 100, and the largest 3-digit number is 999. But there is a condition, it should be divisible by 7. So, we will divide first. First, we divide 100 by 7, or just check the multiplication table. 10 into 7 is 70, 5 into 7 is 35. So, 15 into 7 is 105. That is the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. 15 into 7, we get 105. that is the first 3-digit number. When we divide 999 by 7, we will get the quotient as 142. So forget the remainder. So that will be if you multiply 142 by 7, what is 100 into 7? That is 994. So that will be the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. Now we got the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 and the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. The first is 105 and the last is 994. Now we have to find how many 3-digit number. We need to find n, the number. So for that, let us assume that let the nth term be 994. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 994. Substitute the values. A is 105, n minus 1 as it is, and d equal to, it is given there, divisible by 7. So common difference is 7, and minus 1 into 7 equal to 994. So n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 994. This plus 105, when it goes there, it will be minus 105. So 994 minus 105 is equal to 889. N minus 1 into 7 is equal to 889. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 889 divided by 7, which is equal to 127. We got n minus 1 is equal to 127. So n is equal to 127 plus 1 is equal to 128. So there will be 128 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. Next question. The sum of 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24 and the sum of 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. It is given that sum of 4th, so 4th term is a plus 3d plus 8th term is a plus 7d is equal to, it is given 24. So a plus 3d plus a plus 3d plus a plus 7d is equal to 24. A plus a is 2a, 3d plus 7d is 10d is equal to 24. 2a plus 10d is equal to 24. If we divide this by 2, if you take half of this, we will get a plus 5d is equal to 12. Put it as equation 1. Similarly, what is given? The sum of 6th and 10th terms is 44. 6th term, that is a plus 5d plus 10th term, that is a plus 9d is equal to 44. A plus a is 2a, 5d plus 9d is 14d, 2a plus 14d is equal to 44. If you divide it by 2, you get, make it small. So a plus 7d is equal to 22. So we got 2 equations now. A plus 5d equal to 12, that is equation 1. A plus 7d equal to 22, that is equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. A minus a, we get 0. 7d minus 5d is 2d. 2d is equal to 22 minus 12 is 10. 2d equal to 10. So d equal to 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5. So we got the common difference as 5, d equal to 5. Now substitute the value of d in any of the equation, d equal to 5. So which is the you can substitute in any of the equation. So a plus 5d is equal to 12. So a plus 5 into the value of d is 5. A plus 5 into 5 is 12. 5 into 5 is 25. So a plus 25 is equal to 12. Therefore a equal to 12 minus 25 is equal to minus 13. So we got first term as minus 13. Then next term will be first term plus common difference. Minus 13 plus 5 is equal to minus 8. Minus 8 plus 5 equal to minus 3. These are the first three terms of the arithmetic, the given arithmetic progression.